Hi foodies! Welcome to Aishu's Kitchen. Today I'm back with one more easy and healthy recipe, the Palak rice. It looks vibrantly yummilicious, isn't it? For many more exciting dishes like this, stay tuned to Aishu's Kitchen. Now let's get started. Let me quickly tell you the ingredients that we need for making our Palak rice. I've taken one big bowl of rice, oil, tomato puree. I've used two medium-sized tomatoes here. For the spices, we will need half inch of cinnamon stick, 5 to 6 peppercorns, 2 elaichi, 2 cloves, and dhania powder, that is coriander powder. I have taken green chili paste. I have used 5 to 6 chilies here for making the paste. This is a paste of onion, ginger, and garlic. For this, I have used half onion, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and half an inch of ginger. Here I have taken the spinach paste. I have blanched the spinach and then made fine paste of it. I have taken one bunch of spinach here and salt as per taste. Now let's get started with our dish. Now let's heat a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. 2 to 3 tablespoons is fine. Once the oil is heated, now let us add 2 cloves, half inch of cinnamon stick, 2 elaichis, and our peppercorns. Once they are fried, now we'll add our onion and ginger garlic paste and our chili paste. We'll saute them well. Our green chilies and onion paste is fried. We'll add the tomato puree into the pan. And we have to cook this for about 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, until the raw smell of those tomatoes is gone. At this stage, we'll be adding salt. Now, once the tomato puree is also cooked well, we'll be adding coriander powder to it. Now I'll be adding the spinach puree or the paste to it. We have to cook this for about 2 or 3 minutes. Once this masala is cooked well for 3 to 4 minutes, we'll add our rice to it. Here what you can do is you can store this masala in the fridge and use it whenever required. You can even have it with puri, chapatis, or you can mix with rice like this to make very tasty and yummy palak rice, which is healthy also. Our hot palak rice is now ready, which is very healthy and also delicious, and it's done within few minutes. So I hope you all love this recipe. For many more recipes like this, do subscribe to Aishu's Kitchen and support me. Love you all. Bye. Take care.